Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydrian. Shenseea featured on the Chainsmokers' upcoming single. Earlier this week, the group has shared a snippet from a performance asking fans to guess the featured artist. Now on Wednesday, the electronic duo shared with fans their upcoming track titled My Bad and the surprise featured artist, our very own Shenseea, by posting a photo with the dancehall diva. The track is slated to arrive next Friday. Now TVJ to drop his EP I Am Chippy this summer. The hitmaker is set to release the EP, which will feature 8 tracks with a collab from dancehall fast riser Skillibeng. The project will be distributed by Ranch Entertainment and VP Records. The son of Montego Bay will be headlining Jamaica's biggest reggae festival, Reggae Sumfest, this Friday, and is also billed to join international superstar Chris Brown in Jamaica for Bazaar Weekend in August. Now, Drift, although not yet charting on Billboard, has racked up almost 2 million views on Spotify and has over 6 million views on YouTube, and sees celebrities like Cardi B taking a shot at the dance move. Hey, still on TJ, a Tuesday the Top Flight DJ along with Sprague Benz, Agent Sasko, his Warner Records and Solid Agency team took the Project Star tour through central Kingston communities. In a release from Solid Agency, TJ is looking to take the project to his St. James community as he views initiatives like these as imperative to building a better Jamaica where citizens of all ages will thrive. Project Star is a social and economic transformation initiative created by the PSOJ in partnership with the Jamaica Constabulary Force and driven by communities to bring about societal transformation through targeted interventions in under-resourced areas of Jamaica. They are currently working in East Kingston, Savannah Lamar, and Montego Bay. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching.